Oh, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Dorin's Kitchen, guys. Today we are having amazing recipe. You can't miss this. We are having a smoothie. As you can see in the picture, I have fruits here. I have avocado, I have banana, and a pawpaw. So guys, as you can see in the video, I want to wash my fruits. Make sure that you wash your fruits well, guys. If you have not subscribed to Dorin's Kitchen, guys, remember to subscribe to Dorin's Kitchen. I will appreciate your support, guys. So guys, as you can see in the picture, I'm washing my fruits. After this, I will still rinse them well. Guys, I've finished washing my fruits, so I will start by peeling bananas. As you can see in the picture, we will start with the banana. Guys, remember the baby was crying, so I wanted to make this smoothie so that the baby can have something to drink. So that is why you can see in the picture I was dancing. That is how I was making the baby to calm. So guys, stay tuned as I make this smoothie. Hope you will enjoy it. After peeling everything, I was not making voice over there, so I will put my fruits in the blender. and we'll blend them. As you can see, I've started with a small portion, so let's make this happen, guys. After that, this is what we have. After blending them, this is what we have, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. Support me, like, comment and share, and remember also to subscribe to Dorin's Kitchen. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in another video. Bye.